go to assist Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu in propagating the chanting of holy names for this age as Yuga Dharma. This short play portrays the most merciful mood of Lord Nityananda for fallen conditioned souls, and in spite of all shortcomings, his willingness to forgive and bringing everyone at the lotus feet of Lord Gauranga.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama,
My dear Nityananda, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu has personally instructed us to preach the Lord's glories and chant to each and every one. So, let's go.
Yes, Haridas, that is true. It is very important. Mahaprabhu personally has instructed us to spread the message of the Lord. So let's go and do this service as soon as possible. Thank you so much for reminding.
The noble Lord Nityananda is never angry, for he is the personification of supreme transcendental bliss, completely free from any concept of false ego. Nitai wanders about the town, goes from door to door in the residences of the most fallen and wretched souls. He freely distributes the gift of the Harinama Mahamantra.
Akrudha Paramananda Nitananda Rai, Abhimana Shunno Nitai Nagari Vedai. Akrudha Paramananda Nitananda Rai, Abhimana Shunno Nitai Nagari Paramananda Nitananda Rai, Abhimana Shunno Nitai Nagari Vedai. Akrudha Paramananda Nitananda Rai, Abhimana Shunno Nitai Nagari Vedai.
Let's go and try this door. Oh, Hare Krishna. We have come on the plea of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Mahaprabhu has descended to deliver everybody. Only we request is, please chant Hare Krishna. Worship Krishna and accept Krishna's teaching. Can you please, this is my Mahaprabhu's desire. Please accept this. Thank you. We are very grateful to you. Hare Krishna.
He requests to whomever he sees very humbly holding straw between his teeth, please worship Gaurahari. By worshipping Gaurahari, you can simply purchase me. I will remain very grateful to you. Always chant Hare Krishna, worship Krishna and accept Krishna's teaching. By saying this, Nityananda Prabhu rolls about on the ground, appearing like a golden mountain tumbling in the dust.
जारी देखी तारी थारी कहे
Let's go and try this tour. Hare Krishna. We have come from Krishna village, and on the instruction of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, we are doing this wonderful service to please him. Only we request is, please chant Hare Krishna, accept Krishna's teaching, worship Krishna, make your life successful. Please, please, please.
The meat was cooked so good, right? It's so good. I love it. Sit down, man. Sit down. Tired.
Haridas, who are these people?
They are Jagai and Madai, most fallen people. They are actually born in a very pious family. They are Jagannath and Madhav, but due to very bad association, they have all these abominable, sinful activities that they have performed. They are drunkards and they are womanizers. So they are really very, very sinful people who have fallen down due to bad association.
Haridas, if we can make them devotee, chant Hare Krishna, then Mahaprabhu's name will be glorified all over the world.
My dear
No, let's try,
Nityananda,
let's try,
they are
let's try,
very
let's try.
dangerous people.
Oh my brother, please, we have come. Please, we have come on the plea of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, who is the most merciful. Only we request, please chant Krishna, please worship Krishna. Please accept Krishna's teaching. Please
I'm
do so.
telling you the last time,
Please
Jara.
do so. Once, please chant Hare
Just
Krishna.
force him to do
We have
that.
come all on the plea of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Please, we request, please do so.
Go away!
Mahaprabhu! No! Oh Mahaprabhu, please do not kill them. You have incarnated on this material world in this age of Kali to deliver all the fallen souls. If you kill, who will be left over? I request, please protect them. Please give them shelter. Mahaprabhu ki!